Steps to enable always-on virtual private network for NordLayer on Windows. Prerequisites: NordLayer admin account and users provisioned Windows 10 11th. Clients with the NordLayer app installed latest. Admin access to NordLayer control panel. Admin control panel. 1. Sign in to control panel network. 2. Create or select a gateway. Dedicated gateway if you need static IP or egress. 3. Go to Teams. Choose the teams to enforce always-on. 4. Under network settings, enable always-on virtual private network for the selected teams. Configure enforcement scope per team or org-wide auto-connect conditions on startup on untrusted Wi-Fi. Preferred gateway or let users use recommended gateway. 5. Save and publish the policy. Client Windows app. 1. Install NordLayer Windows client and sign in with the managed account. 2. In the app settings, general or connection naming may vary. Enable auto-connect on startup, always-on enforce virtual private network. If shown, this will lock connections through the virtual private network per admin policy. 3. If control panel enforces always-on, the client will apply the policy automatically on next sign-in. Optional. Enforce at OS level. Recommended for device tunnels. Pre-login. Use your MDM Intune or Workspace ONE to push these settings if you need. Device level pre-login always-on. Deploy NordLayer MSI or app via Intune. 2. Push configuration profile that enforces auto-launch and auto-connect and prevents user from disabling the client. Use the app's administrative configuration. Keys from NordLayer docs. 3. For strict pre-login or device tunnel behavior, consider Windows always-on virtual private network profiles or conditional access, combined with NordLayer device posture. Deploy via Intune using Prophylexum if required. Split tunneling local network access. Configure split tunneling or local network access in control panel per team if you need local LAN or print access or to exempt specific domains or IPs. Test routes and DNS after enabling. Verify. 1. Sign into a managed Windows client. 2. Confirm NordLayer app auto-connects at boot and shows enforced connection. 3. From client. Check external IP should match selected gateway and access to internal resources. 4. Confirm policies split tunneling, DNS, device posture are applied.